Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm gonna talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm gonna talk about an interesting innovative idea called naming method from new age teaching techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is The Ant and the Dove from NCERT Class 5, Chapter 2. The subject is English and the time duration for the activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. This innovation is to bring ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy. This idea helps in building interconnection among the concept being taught in the classroom by replacing the actual name of students with allotted name for a particular time period. The concept is to revise the vocabulary, adjectives, understanding words with action. For this activity, a teacher chooses individual names for each of the student in the class. The chosen name should have a scope for value addition. Call student by their assigned names, and after 2 days add values to their names by defining it further. For example, assign the student a name like student 1 ant, the student 2 dove, student 3 tree, student 4 river, student 5 hunter, student 6 arrow. And after 2 days add some adjectives to the names like small ant, flying dove, enormous tea, huge river, hungry hunter, or sharp arrow. This will lead to detailed explanation of the concept. Through this innovative idea, a student will learn to recite stories in English with comprehension. They will learn to respond orally to comprehension questions related to the stories and poems. They will learn to listen English words and greetings, polite form of expressions, and simple sentences and respond in the same language. This innovation encourages students to find more about the assigned names. This idea helps in relating the concept with immediate surroundings and day-to-day uses. This activity ensures the active participation of the student in the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Core life skills that can be included are critical thinking, effective communication, and self awareness. Values that can be touched upon are equality, believing everyone deserves equal rights, and to be treated with respect and firmness. Children with special need or learning disabilities often struggle with remembering and relating new academic words, so this will be a better way for learning. Slow learners or visual learners will look into the words, colors, and symbols frequently and will have a better retention. Children with autism are very rigid in terms of adapting the change. Through this activity, they will learn adaptive skills and new information. For this innovative idea, that's for all. If you like, I hope you like the video. And if you want more videos from us, then please like, share, and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI. You can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you.